Well, we cannot do much about change policies of WhatsApp, but seeing the growth of Signal and Telegram app because of this proves that people are getting aware now. So I thought it's the best time to make a video on some privacy focused extensions for your Google Chrome desktop browser. So without any further delay, let's get started. Internet is full of ads and actually these ads make internet free for us, but hey, no one wants to watch ads while browsing and especially the vulgar ads. So to stop ads, you can add an extension called uBlock Origin on your Chrome browser and ads are gone. Yes, it's as simple as that. Cannot trust me? Let me show you an example. As you can see that I'm on a website that shows a lot of ads. Now let me enable the uBlock Origin and reload the page again and ads are gone. And not only ads, uBlock Origin also blocks shady pop-up pages from loading as you can see on the screen right now. However, if you ever feel like supporting any website by watching ads, you can easily disable uBlock Origin and reload the website again, but by default it's enabled for all the websites. So what are you waiting for? Install this ad blocker right now from the links given in the description. Do you know that emails you receive also have a tracker inside it? These trackers track the information like whether you have opened a specific email or not and send this information to the person who ever sent you an email with a tracker inside it. So to disable this kind of tracking, you can add an extension called Pixel Block on your Chrome browser. Let me show you how it works. I have opened an email and everything is normal with this email, but let's open another one. As you can see that I am getting this red eye here which was not present in earlier email. This red eye means that this email has a tracker inside it, but thanks to Pixel Block, now I know which email has a tracker inside it and Pixel Block will disable all those trackers for me. So the person will never know whether I have seen his email or not. Most of the websites these days have moved to Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure or commonly known as HTTPS for more secure browsing experience. But still the old HTTP protocol is being used by some of the websites these days. I won't go in detail about these protocols, but the crux is that HTTPS is more secure than HTTP. So to avoid landing on any website that uses HTTP protocol or the website that uses HTTPS but redirects you to the website that are not secure, you can use an extension called HTTPS Everywhere on your Chrome browser. This extension will make your browsing experience more secure by always loading websites over HTTPS. This may not sound interesting to you, but you know these days data breaches are becoming a common problem now, so why take any kind of risk? You get tracked on every website you visit. You may not mind seeing ads based on your search history, but let's say you search for a medical condition or anything very personal and you don't want anyone to know about it. But every website you visit has some kind of tracker and these trackers continue to track you on other websites as well, which already sounds very dangerous from privacy perspective. So to avoid this kind of tracking, you can use an extension called Privacy Badger. Privacy Badger is one of the best all-in-one extensions for blocking invisible third-party trackers on websites. This extension looks at all the components of a web page and learns which one track you from website to website and then blocks them from loading in the browser. Privacy Badger also learns as you travel the web, so it gets better over time and it requires no extra effort or configuration to work. Just install it and leave everything to it. You may have heard about DuckDuckGo browser. DuckDuckGo is famous for its privacy-focused browsing experience, but we have all got used to Chrome browser and now switching to any other browser sounds a big task in itself. But we can use an extension called DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. This extension comes with many features aimed at privacy protection. Features like escape online tracking, enforce encryption, search privately are very useful if you are a privacy conscious person. I personally like DuckDuckGo search engine which lets you browse privately without fear of being tracked or without showing any kind of promoted content while you browse. Apart from this extension also collects data based on the information a website tracks, its privacy practices and all. And based on this data, this extension gives a rating to every website you visit, which in my opinion is very useful. And the last extension which I want to share is Panic Button. I have been talking about protecting privacy online, but what if someone is watching you from behind while you browse? Here you can use Panic Button. It's a very simple extension which quickly hides all the tabs when you click on its icon, which does not sound interesting to be honest, as you can always click close button to close the browser completely if you suspect someone is watching you. But you know that once you close the Chrome browser and reopen it, it automatically loads all the tabs which were open before you closed the Chrome browser. So to make this extension very useful, you can set a password for Panic Button so that every time you want to access the tabs which you closed because of panic, you have to enter a password to access them. It's very useful in scenarios where everyone has access to your computer. So yeah, that's about it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do, then please like, share this video with your friends, and lastly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Navneet signing off for now. You guys have a great day.